Hey, what is up, guys? So it is actually already 5 o'clock, super late start to the day, but I ended up just getting back from, well, I'm not back, but I just picked up this iPhone 8 Plus, picked up for 120 bucks. My buyer of these kind of phones actually buys it for 235 bucks. So after shipping, I should make 100 and a little bit of some change. So pretty much just basically the only phone for the day that I ended up buying. But I just ended up getting to the Apple store. Well, I'm at the mall where the Apple store is, and so I told you guys yesterday that I'm gonna evaluate if I'm gonna make money off of like actually fixing this Apple Care Plus iPhone X, or if just selling it. So I should make about $300 to $330 profit if I do end up getting fixed. So hopefully, it said Apple Care is on the phone. I checked through like Apple warranty IMEI, and I just put in the IMEI, and it did say it has repairs covered until like February 11th of 2019. So I'm interested to see how the process works. So that's where I'm gonna go right now. As you guys can see, I'm just at the mall, so I should I don't know what's going to happen, so I'll let you guys know exactly what you have to do, the process, and if there's any information you need to know to actually do this yourself, because I'm not technically fixing the phone, but I'm getting the phone fixed to make a bigger profit. And this is honestly the first time I'm doing it. So with that said, I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey guys, so I just got back, and so they said it was about an hour and a half to 2 hour wait. So that's my mistake. I should have made an appointment, but I ended up making it, but I think I'm gonna cancel it just because for me, like, the things I can do in an hour and a half to 2 hours, I have to value my time, and I do value my time more than just waiting around, potentially shopping in the mall, just kind of walking around. And I could do a meetup or something like that, which if I do find a meetup to actually go and buy a phone, I might just end up coming back. But for now, I think I'm gonna hold the appointment till last minute, but I think I might just make an appointment, and the first one was on Friday, I believe he said. So I'm just gonna go online, make an appointment, and that's a big key point for me, and especially now that I'm doing this full time as an entrepreneur, you really have to value your time as best as possible. If you don't think your time, if you don't think 2 hours of your time is that valuable, you can wait around. Yeah, go for it. But for me, at least, the amount of, like, I could potentially make a couple $100 just from maybe 2-3 phones that I could possibly make, instead of going to that meetup and instead of waiting for that actual actual appointment to come. And he said between an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, so I wouldn't really know, but I might come back if I end up back up here like tonight for a meetup or something like that. But for now, I think I might just drive. I'm just gonna go out and OfferUp, just kind of sitting here in the parking lot, see if I can find any deals, and then go from there. So with that said, I'll let you guys know what exactly happens. It's been like 15 minutes. The guy told me an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. Are you kidding me? Hey, what is up, guys? So I'm just about to edit the video. Honestly, not too much went on today, so I feel bad. I didn't even know if I wanted to release a vlog, but I know some of you genuinely like watching it, and I think I'm obviously increasing like my viewers, my subscribers, so I want to keep daily content going as best as possible. So with that said, not much that went on in terms of like the vlog, but I thought I'd just kind of bring out a lesson in terms of missing out on deals. It's super unfortunate, but it'll happen all the time, and for me, for me, it really sucks because you guys probably have known this and probably experience it all the time, but when people like literally you're about to give like full price, the phone is just super lowball listed already, or you're just like within $10-15 of the actual price, and they really just don't message you back, or they read it and for some reason just don't accept it. I had a deal like that today, as you guys can tell by the title of the video. I'll show you a screenshot of it, but I literally pushed this woman so hard to meet, and she just wouldn't meet with me. But she was basically selling a bundle, and I've never seen this before, and it sucks because I probably will never see this again. But she was selling 3 iPhone 8 Pluses, perfect condition, 64GB Verizon, all not paid off. and then a Samsung S8 and a Samsung S8 Plus, also Verizon, also not paid off. So all of them are bad IMEI or ESN, as you could say, which is perfectly fine. But she was basically, I had bid $500 for all of them, and she was like kind of iffy about it. So I was like $700 bucks, because I mean, I'll show you guys my max here in a second, but $700. And then she was like, I can maybe do that. Then she said somebody offered $1,000. So literally I went up, that would be my biggest deal ever, but she said $1,000, and I was like, you know what, I'll do it if you can meet now. And she said I have to go run some errands. So 2 hours passed, and she said she messaged me in 2 hours. She said no. I mean, she messaged me, and I literally kept putting question marks because I was so interested in the deal, and she literally just said, hey, somebody offered $1,250. So for me, $1,000 was already a lot, and I don't think I'm to that point where I'm willing to risk that much money, even though I was really willing to risk $1,000. It was super unfortunate, and honestly, I probably could have made a decent amount of money on the $1,250. But for me, in terms of the amount of capital I'm working with, you have to be smart about it. And for me, anything over $1,000 would really limit me being able to buy things the next day, just because of the amount of money I'm working with. Because obviously I don't have a ton of money or anything like that. I'm working with a couple $1,000 solely for phone flipping. So for me, it was super sucked, and I saw that she had sold it. I messaged her, obviously, if you don't do this, you should just say, hey, like if the deal doesn't end up going through, just let me know. I'd still be very interested in buying it. So it's definitely super unfortunate, but with that said, I hope you guys can relate, and if you guys have had experiences where you've missed out on a deal, let me know down below, and honestly it would help me a little bit, and help everybody else watching the video, just to let them know and myself know exactly that we aren't the only ones missing out on these deals, which is super unfortunate. Obviously there's other resellers out there. Some are willing to pay more money than we can even imagine. Like I know phones that people buy ridiculously high for iPhone X's, and I don't even know how they make margin on it, when they can literally make like 25 bucks reselling it on eBay. So I don't know what they're doing with the phone, but not my place to question, and I don't really waste my time with it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, I know it wasn't too much excitement, but I thought I'd bring at least a video talking about this potential deal, and something kind of just start a conversation with you guys, see what other phone deals that you have messed up on or just missed out on, and this is honestly probably something I'm going to remember for a while, but I'm glad I created this YouTube channel to be able to remember it and just see maybe 2, 3, 12 months down the road how far I've come. So if you enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate the support, and if you made it to this far in the video, you mean the world to me. Keep watching the videos, and if you haven't subbed again, hit that little subscription button down below. And with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.